What's up guys, CC here, and I'm back with another video for the channel. If it's your first time watching this channel, definitely consider subscribing and turning those notification bells on. Okay guys, so in today's video I'll be sharing how I created a baby shower photo booth frame for one of my customers. She's expecting a baby boy, so team boy, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, these are some of the supplies that I'll be using for today's video. The baby shower is an elephant theme baby shower, so I have some pictures of elephants, flowers, and I also have in words welcoming baby Shiloh. I have some glitter paper, my foam board, this is size 20 by 30. I have glue gun, glue stick, X-Acto knife, ruler, scissors, and I'll also be using some studs and gems as well. Once I've got all my supplies together, I grabbed my foam board and I measured 3.5 inches around the foam board, and I'll be cutting that out with my X-Acto knife. Then I could go ahead and cut out my glitter paper and paste it all around the frame. Now I'm measuring 3.5 inches wide strips of glitter paper. Once I cut out my glitter paper, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the images that I have as well as the letters that I'm gonna be using. Once you're finished cutting out your images and your letters, it's just a matter of arranging and gluing your items around the photo frame in the order that you wish. Ensure that your images and your letters are printed on thick paper and not on regular paper. If your images are already printed out on regular printing paper, no worries. Go ahead and paste your image on a cereal box and then cut it out. The cereal box will create a thick base for the image. Also, using thick paper, I created this stick that I'll be using as a base for this image. I fold the thick paper a few times and then glue it together. I'm then gluing the stick onto the image and gluing the image on top of the photo booth frame. Go ahead and use your glue gun when you're gluing the images onto your photo frame, just to make sure that they're secure and they're not going anywhere. I use the regular glue for my letters and the glue gun for the images. We're almost done guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some gems and studs to the photo frame just to give it an extra edge and glam and bring the whole frame together. Okay guys, coming up in the next clip is the final product as well as customer picture. Stay tuned for that. Thanks again for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.